Hello, everyone! Let's go!
Ooh, what's this?
Oh no!
Elsa!
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching. Hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month. Wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby. Don't think that I forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you.
Ow!
have to do it. Now I
Yay!
feel so stupid. Don't you feel that too? The feeling lingers on every day of every night. Wishing I just could forget about you.
Ariel.
It's funny how my heart is wired. It doesn't make any sense to me. But who am I to question my feelings? I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who you're already loving. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. No, I never meant to hurt you. No, I never meant to hurt you.
Wow!
But I'm in love with myself. 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 I want you to know I won't let go, even if I could hold you back. I see you standing there, a soothing
Wednesday.
atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do believe in lovers like me and you.
Yes, I like it.
I'm dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. Baby, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. 'Cause I do.
Oh no!
Aha! Let's go.
Yay!
Aha!
Wow!
You know the drama is
Peach.
never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things
ladybug.
I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk
Wow.
and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love.